Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Ashish. This part is continuation of string functions. Next you have concat. Concat is a very common function we have, and in all SQL Server it works. Okay, and see, this is the string, multiple string we can give. Okay, so what is there in that? Concat. Concat is concatenating the function. Okay, this comma this comma something, anything you can put like that. Okay, so it is concatenating. Okay, thus one more tip I want to give you guys here. See, you can do the same using plus also. Okay, for now this one only. See, the same result you are getting, but why do we have this function concat? I'll show you. Now if you want to concatenate 1, what is the result you are getting? See, conversion fail while converting n varchar value to this value, Ashish Tiwari. Now what you need to do is you need to convert. We have already done the convert. If you don't know the convert, you can see my other videos of this class for converting that. See, now it is working. But if you use this concat, what it does, you don't need to. This is first thing. Second, if I add null, so it will make all the things null. So null is the thing. Null, I will have another video to describe null. For now it is like unknown value in SQL. Okay, so if I use here null, what it will do? See, for null it will make empty. So this is the basic difference why we have concat. Okay, next you have CONCAT WS. After 2017 SQL Server or later. Okay, I will demonstrate this also. Basically, the basic difference between concat and concat WS is you have a separator. Suppose you are okay. Let me demonstrate this to you. So guys, can you see this? This is the screen we have for other SQL Server. Let me execute. See what it does actually. The separator, whatever you are giving here, that will concate with this. If I put comma, it will. So can you see this screen? See, the comma is displaying. So this is the basic difference between concat and concat WS, and it works the SQL Server 2017. Please share and subscribe this YouTube channel and comment whatever you feel for it.